peeps, it's Jocelyn McClellan with Fit Mission Makeup here with you again. Now I get asked all the time about my hair, which then leads to my makeup, so I wanted to show you. I use Mascara Beauty, which is, it's a customized palette of your makeup. Everything's magnetized and it can fit into it like so, which means that no matter what, your makeup is easy to find and you don't have to go through a dadgum makeup bag. I brain farted there for a second. Okay, so you don't have to go through your makeup bag anymore because of this makeup. I'm gonna show you guys how to highlight, contour, put on your blush, which we call the lip and cheek, and then I'm gonna walk you through it as if you have never heard of it before. So here we go. All right, beautiful girls. So how this goes down and how this works is with Mascara Beauty, I get to be your artist from afar. I can do it near too, but from afar, which is something that I feel like has never really happened before. With being able to do this from afar, it's allowing me to help you directly with your makeup. So first things first, you are going to stand in front of a window and you're going to take a picture of you with a bare face. You can have your eyes on, but with that bare face, you're going to then send me that picture to my website at fitmissionmakeup.com. Then from there, I will color match you, tell you what colors that are best for you, and you get to choose all that you want to buy. So I want to show you really quickly what are your options. Mascara does have a square compact. This one can only fit a couple things in it, but these are the compacts. This is the quad. It can fit 4 colors in it. And then we have the hack stack, which can fit 8 colors in this one. And then we have the mini double decker that can fit a lot, 12 full sizes, I believe. And then we have the double decker, and this one can fit quite a few, I think 18 colors in it as well. So double layered palettes, and then they have these little tints in them. So when I color match you to these colors, you will then know which ones are best for you, and you can choose the size you want to buy. So I'm gonna do a little something with you, and I am going to show you how it all goes down. What we have here is this cute sticky box. I know it's just a box, but they actually take the time to read what's inside if you get one like this, because they have really cute little steps there. But you get to be in control of what you ordered. My favorite is for people when they at least start with a mini double decker or a hack stack, because the hack stack is the one that fits 8 and the mini double decker is the one that fits 12. But the reason I like the mini double decker is just because you can put eyeshadows in one, and then you can put your main foundation in the top. I personally don't like to mix the colors or the powder and the creams. The foundation for mascara is a cream highlight, a cream contour, and then of course the cream lip and cheek, and a cream illuminator or powder illuminator. So you get to choose. So in this box, I will be putting in all my tins. All right, so I have this baby right here, these little tins that are so dang easy. You can just pop in and out the color. So I'm just gonna take this baby right here, take off that lid, and pop it in. I like to put mine in order from the highlights to the contours, the order that I would be putting them on my face. So I'm gonna pop a couple of these in real quick like. I've got a contour here, and then I have this killer lip and cheek. So you can get as much as you want, depending on how many colors you buy, depends on what compact you get for free, okay? And you're good to go and set. If you wanna go in and add some eyeshadows, you can do that as well. So I have, that one was a cream eyeshadow. Mascara has just like 4 eyeshadows that are cream. The rest at this moment, until they change packaging, comes into this little baby, slide it on out, and then she's just going to snap right into there. So stinking easy. I can't say enough for it. Okay, and you can add that up and load that up as much as you want. So then after you get your makeup, you have it all set, I'm now gonna walk you through how to apply your makeup. Okay, really quick like though, this is refillable makeup palette. So when one runs out, you just take out the one that runs out, or if you wanna switch out one, and you put them back in with a replacement. So you get to do whatever the heck that you want with your makeup. And the coolest thing is, as your tan fades or as your tan gets stronger, we can make that work just for you, and you are going to love it. You'll see everyone how they put a little bit of setting spray on their face after the makeup application, but I actually like to do it before. So if you do get a setting spray, or if you use a setting spray, I personally like to use this. I use a different setting spray for all of those who have oily skin. So this baby right here, I apply it on my face with a sponge. P.S. This is a really good thing to have and purchase in your makeup, because you can sponge off anything extra. But I use this with my sponge. I'll do like 3 sprays and then smear it all around. It's like butter. And then 3 sprays, smear it, 3 sprays, smear it, and so forth, okay? But the reason I use so much is because it acts like the most amazing primer that you'll ever see. I love this stuff. So setting spray before, setting spray after is the best thing ever. All right, this is my palette. I'm gonna walk you through really quick like what I do and what you can expect with your makeup. Now I know that everyone is so different, so exactly how I say it, it might be different for you. But the coolest thing about having your own mascara artist is that I can walk you through direct things for your face. You can always send me a picture of you after you have the makeup on. I tell you things that you can do to fix it, things that you can do to make you look brighter, chisel out your contour more. I can tell you all those things. So right here I have, this is my actual compact, so it's not as cutesy and pretty as this brand spanking new one that has never been touched before. But this is my compact that I am gonna show you and do for you. So I have 3 highlight colors. I have 3 because sometimes I tan, or maybe we need color correcting, anything like that. So I have 3 highlight colors. For me, I have amber, candlelit, and white peach, but for you, it's gonna be different. I'm first going to apply anything that needs color corrected or that darker color as if I have a tan. So highlight goes all over where it is needed for my face, or how I instruct you in that color match. In the color match, I will tell you what is best for you. I will mark up your face where I want you to put the color correcting color. I will mark up your face where I want you to put the brightener color, and I will tell you any other steps that is needed as well. The next step that we go in, we're going to use a contour. Now you can swap these if you want. You've seen many a times on tutorials with beautiful, beautiful women where they contour first and then they highlight later. With this cream contour, we're able to get a lot of movement and chisel out that face beautifully. Instead of it looking dry and absorbing into your face, we're adding depth and dimension to your look. The next step you can do, you can either go in with a bronzer, which I have my bronzer right here. This is Bella bronzer, and honey, this lady makes me happy. I can even bronze my neck, and when I bronze my neck, it doesn't look like it's just this orange gross mess. I love it so much. So you can bronze then, or you can use your lip and cheek. Now, lip and cheek is one of the funnest things because that's how you can change it up for your outfits. So sometimes I like to mix my cheeks, and sometimes I just do one or maybe the other with lips. But since we're at fall, when you're watching this video right now, or okay, if you watch it when it's hot off the press, then it's fall. Clearly, I'm just a little warm and cozy. It's fall. So I have some really killer, awesome colors for that. I love putting this color called Sandstone on my cheeks, and then if I want to do just a teeny bit more pop, I like to do the saffron on my lips. So Sandstone and saffron, and right here I have a rose gold gorgeous illuminator. The illuminator is one of the last steps. So you can powder before, you can apply anything you want before that, or you can have it be the last steps. And I also love to add it on my lips, just a little bit. And right now, one of my favorite concoctions is Sandstone with the rose gold illuminator over top. And that's what I have on right now. All right, now, brushes. I know we all think we have a million brushes. Why on earth would I need one more? But I can say this to you with like tender loving care to your soul. You're gonna want one of these brushes. I can't tell you enough. You're gonna want one of these brushes, or 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6, or 7. Mascara brushes are so awesome. And one of the coolest thing about this kind of makeup brush is that it is dense, and so you're not gonna be wasting any product, okay? The coolest thing about mascara too is that your main foundation, it's probably gonna last you around 3 or so months. The rest is gonna last you from 5 to 12 months. So really and truly, it's so inexpensive it's that investment up front. These are about, if you're watching this in 2019, $14 a color right here, but you're only having to replace one every 3 months. It's pretty boss, if you ask me. But the brushes are so cool. And you can see with my application about how nice, okay, maybe you won't see, how nice and soft that they really are. But I want you to pay attention to that too. If you go back and rewatch this video, anything like that, the brushes are killer for this makeup look. All right, you guys, I just want to finish this tutorial up with just a little recap. So within mascara, you submit your photo, you get color matched, you purchase the colors that you want from the website, which I can show you the flow of how easy it is. It is so easy to search through mascara's website with picking your highlight, your contour, your lip and cheek, and your illuminator. And then from there, when you get home, you have an example of how I told you to apply it in the color match that you submitted. And then you are just going to reach out to me if you ever need anything. So within this makeup, it's an easy palette that you can add to, that you can trade things out. It's refillable, all for Mascara Beauty. It takes such good care of those with mature skin. It takes such good care of teenagers, college students, all of the above. So you will have a highlight, a contour, a lip and cheek, and an illuminator. All right, you guys, until next time, we're gonna roll this tutorial out. But if you ever need anything, you can reach me, Jocelyn at fitmissionmakeup.com, or Instagram at jocelyn.mcclellan, Facebook at fitmissionmakeup with Jocelyn McClellan. Google, you'll find stuff. We'll see you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.